Create your own Bohemian bubble bead and filigree charms bronze chain bracelet with this easy, beginner-friendly tutorial. For this project, we will need dozens of bubble beads in 14-16mm sizes to create a bold, whimsical Bohemian bracelet. We also need metal ball beads with attached loops, perfect for adding extra movement and stylish charm accents to the bracelet. Include filigree charms in various shapes to enhance the bracelet's bohemian style. Add bead caps to enhance each bubble bead with rich texture and detail. You'll also need dozens of jump rings and head pins to securely attach every charm. Choose a bronze large cable chain as the sturdy base of our bracelet for a bold bohemian look. For the extension chain, choose a smaller, lighter chain style so it complements the bracelet without overpowering the main design. Last but not least, jewelry pliers are essential for opening jump rings and assembling the bracelet. Let's get started by looping the beads onto head pins to create beautiful, dangling charms for our bracelet. Use a bronze head pin for a coordinated, polished bracelet design. Place one bead cap onto a head pin with the opening facing upward. Next, slide one bubble bead directly above the bead cap. Make sure both pieces sit flat on the pin. Slide another bead cap on top of the bubble bead to secure it and add a beautifully detailed, balanced finish to the charm. Hold the bead securely between your fingers to keep it from slipping while you work. Using concave or round nose pliers, bend the wire carefully to begin shaping a secure, clean loop. Hold the wire just above the bead with concave pliers, keeping a firm grip. This gives you control as you begin shaping the loop and prevents the bead from slipping out of place. Gently bend the wire to a 90-degree angle so it points sideways. This bend will be the starting point for creating a secure, neatly shaped loop. After wrapping the wire neatly upward above the bead, trim any excess using wire cutters, leaving a short tail ready for shaping into a secure loop in the next step. I'm using the concave pliers to carefully shape and secure the loop, ensuring it remains stable, properly aligned, and strong enough for the next jewelry assembly steps to complete. Wrap the tail neatly around the base using flat nose pliers. Repeat this process for all your bubble beads until you have created a matching set. Repeat the same process with the smaller beads to create additional loop charms. This will add variety, movement, and a balanced design to your bracelet while keeping the overall bohemian style consistent. You can use small bead caps to accommodate tiny bead charms, adding extra detail and ensuring a secure, polished finish. There are different ways to create a loop with these small beads, but I will wrap the wire around the pliers to form a neat, secure loop for consistent results. Cut any excess wire using wire cutters, leaving just enough length to close and secure your loop neatly without sharp edges. I'm using concave pliers to shape and secure the loop, keeping it stable, aligned, and strong for assembly. Or use flat pliers to tack the wire securely, helping you form a clean, strong loop for your jewelry project easily. Let's go assemble our charm bracelet by attaching each finished charm. First, lay the chain flat. Open a jump ring, insert it through the end link, attach the lobster clasp, and then close the jump ring tightly to secure it. The length of your chain should be about 7 inches, which is considered a standard and comfortable bracelet size. Lay your chain flat on the bead mat. Arrange your bubble beads and filigree charms in the order you like. Alternating different shapes and textures creates a beautiful bohemian look. Aim for visual balance by spacing charms evenly across the chain before you begin attaching them. Open a jump ring by twisting it side to side with pliers. Never pull the ends apart, or it may weaken. Insert the first bubble bead charm onto the open jump ring, attach it to a chain link, then close the ring securely using pliers to ensure it stays fastened tightly. I like to start attaching charms from the end of the chain where I attach the clasp, because it helps me space the remaining charms evenly along the bracelet. Open another jump ring and insert it into the loop of the filigree charm. Attach the charm to a link in the chain, then close the jump ring securely using pliers to finish. Repeat the same process to attach another bubble bead charm, spacing each charm evenly along the chain so the bracelet has a balanced, cohesive design with beautiful flowing movement throughout. Keep adding the charms using the same process, attaching each one securely, and spacing them evenly along the chain to maintain a balanced, cohesive design that enhances your bracelet's beautiful bohemian style. The large bubble bead charms serve as the focal point of the bracelet, drawing attention with their bold, eye-catching shine, and creating a beautiful centerpiece within the bohemian design. The bronze ball charms add vintage character and warmth, while the crystal charms bring a soft glow and sparkle, creating a beautiful balance of texture and light throughout the bracelet. I love mixing filigree, alloy, and crystal beads with metal accents to create a beautifully layered bohemian look that feels artistic, textured, and full of unique handmade character in every piece. You can insert 2 charms into one jump ring and attach them to a chain link together, creating a fuller, decorative clustered effect and adding extra depth to your bracelet design. You can add as many charms as you like to increase the bracelet's visual appeal and enhance your profitability, especially when creating custom bohemian pieces for customers who love unique designs. We fill the entire chain bracelet with charms from end to end, creating a full, eye-catching bohemian design that feels rich, textured, and beautifully detailed with every movement. Open another jump ring and insert it into the end of the opposite side of the chain. Then attach a 1.5 to 2 inch extension chain before closing it securely. The extension chain will make your bracelet adjustable, allowing you to customize the fit comfortably. This added length also gives the design flexibility, making it suitable for different wrist sizes with ease. To add a sleek, chic finishing touch to your bracelet design, open the last jump ring, insert it into the end of the extension chain, add a charm and a small tag, and then close the ring tightly with pliers. Tug each charm gently to ensure the jump rings are closed properly. Open and close the lobster clasp several times to make sure it is properly tightened and securely attached to the bracelet. Put the bracelet on and adjust the placement of your charms if needed to ensure a balanced, comfortable final look. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this charm bracelet tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more creative jewelry making projects and inspiration.